Hi there guys, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today I want to talk about 4 easy ways to make money online in 2018. Now, when I'm talking about make money, I'm talking about $100 plus per day. And these ways that I'm going to show you are going to be free or low cost, very little investment to get you started. Some of them are free, so you can get started straight away. If you take action, you can get started today. Alright, so let's go through them then. So the very first way I would say is what we call drop shipping. Now drop shipping is just basically where you go out and you source a deal that's cheaper, slightly cheaper than what other people are selling it. And then you get them to ship it. So what I mean by that, so say for example, let me give you an example. Say, today's Valentine's Day. Yeah? So say you were looking for something like a nice little trinket or a bouquet of flowers or something. So you'd go to a site and say you found this nice trinket and you found it for $100. And then you went searching, you found it on, say, eBay, and you found the same thing for maybe $50. So what you would then do, you would then put up a site, or you'd just put up an eBay page or something really, really basic, and you'd be selling it for, say you sold it for $95. Yeah, so now somebody would buy it off your page. You can source it at $50. Then they would pay you $95, and then you're going to make the difference between the 50 and the 95, say, $45. And then you just get eBay. You'd buy it off eBay for the $50, and you get eBay to ship it to the person. So you don't need to worry about having stock and all this sort of stuff. And if there's any shipping costs, you then pass that on to the customer as well. So you're going to make $45 and maybe a little bit more if you add a bit more for the shipping. Alright, and that's something you can get started straight away. You can go and start searching for things. You'll look online and you'll see there's loads of things that you can find online on a site, and you'll probably go and source it and get it cheaper. You think to yourself, why don't other people do that? Because essentially people are lazy. They don't want to go searching around. If they find something and they think, okay, found it $100 here, but now I found it on your page for $95, that's enough for me. I'll do it. Then sometimes they won't even source that and just buy it for $100. So, you can see you're just basically, people don't want to do all this searching, and because you're going to take the time to do that, you can potentially make $50 to $100 a day doing that. All right, the next way is using what we call affiliate marketing. Now, generally, just to put it simply, affiliate marketing is what I do, but I do what we call top tier affiliate marketing. But forget all of that. I don't want to complicate this too much. All I want you to know is that affiliate marketing is, in essence, somebody has a product, they allow you to sell that product for them, and they give you a commission for selling that product. Usually 50% of the price to up to 90% of the price. So, 2 good sites that I would say you can go and find products right now would be ClickBank and Amazon. There's something called Amazon Associates, where anything on Amazon, you can sell it. They will give you a link. You go and join Amazon Associate. They'll give you a link to sell it. So let me give you an example. Say there's a really good book I like. It's called Think and Grow Rich. Say you've read the book. You also like it. Now you want to tell other people about it, but you want to sell it. Yeah. So what you do, you go to Amazon Associate. You go to the Think and Grow Rich book, and you can get a link. You get a link. Now with that link, if you send people to Amazon via your link, then if anybody buys, you're going to get a commission. So imagine you've got your link. You go into Facebook and you talk about Think and Grow Rich. You say, the book's good. I really enjoyed this part of the book. If you're interested in buying it, here's the link, and that link is going to be your link, your affiliate link that is going to go, and when people buy it, you're going to make a commission. On Amazon, the commissions aren't great. I think they're 5 to 10%. But if you're going to get started with this, then I would say go to clickbank.com. Yeah, and I'm going to film another video. I probably might leave it somewhere in the corner here. I'm going to film another video where I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how you do it yourself, how you can go through this. So if that's of interest to you, I'll probably leave it somewhere in this video here. But yeah, you go to ClickBank and you'd find out what's trending. If I was to do this now, I'd probably do something involved in Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, because there's such a big hype about that at the moment. So I'd go and find a product that teaches people how to trade in Bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. I'd find something, say, say it is valued at $100 to $200, because don't forget, you're going to make a 50% commission. So say it's $200, you can make $100 for every time you get someone to buy that product via your sell. So go and find a product in, say, Bitcoin. I'd look for a product that has what we call high gravity, so it means that a lot of people are buying it. Then again, I'll maybe film a video, because I enjoy filming videos. Or maybe I'll get somebody to write an article and put up a simple blog, a simple WordPress free blog on there. Or again, go to Facebook, talk about it, say, look, it's because it's such a hype. Everybody's talking about it now. When someone's talking about it, you just say, listen, I've seen this really good product. Here's the link. Again, there you go. Now you're going to make your $100. The third way I'd say is called freelancing. So if you have any skill at all, you can make money using that skill online. Now there's a site that I recommend, it's called peopleperhour.com. And over there, I went on there just the other day and I looked at the jobs that people were searching for. So you can look on there and you can see the jobs that people want. And there's all sorts of jobs. There were things like, write me an email. I mean, can you write an email? Can you help someone write an email? You can get paid $50 for that. Do you know how to put up websites or a web page? Somebody was asking for a single web page. They were prepared to pay $40 for that. There was another person who was prepared to pay $30 for an email signature. Now, even if you don't know how to do an email signature, all you do is you go to YouTube, you type in, how do I do an email signature? You learn it. Within 10 minutes to half an hour, you understand how to do it. Then you can go and apply for this job. Other things, if you've got any sort of specialist skills, like say you can put up a Shopify site. Someone was prepared to pay $200 for that. If you can put up a WordPress site, somebody was prepared to pay $150 for that. So all you do, you go onto this People Per Hour, or there's another one called, I'll just find the name here, Upwork.com. So go to these sites, you see all the jobs, apply for 10 to 20 jobs a day. Even if you get one or two of them, that can start making you $100 a day. Alright, and so the fourth way I would say requires a little bit more skill. It's not massive. I mean, I teach things like this in my free 4-part course, but I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. But the fourth way I would say is to do something what we call local SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. But don't get too confused with that. All that means is to try and rank things like videos and articles highly in Google. Now, if you was to try and rank, say, for a term like make money online, it's a very, very competitive term. A lot of people are going after it. It would be very, very difficult to rank for that site, for that keyword. But say you wanted to rank for hairdresser, local hairdresser in Houston, and then the zip code, you could probably rank for that within a week, because it's a lot smaller niche, so that's what I mean by local. You can go to somebody local, a local shop. I would go to a local, either a hairdresser, it could be a chiropodist, anyone that's willing to pay you $50 to $100 for a lead, for a sell. Because these people like plastic surgeons, doctors, dentists, they make a lot of money from new clients. So if you can say to them, listen, I can get you new clients, you just let me come into the premises. I mean, for me, if I was to do it, I would use video. But if you're not comfortable with video, you can you can put up a site. I would put up something like a Weebly site completely for free. It's Weebly.com. Go to Weebly. You can put a site up within the next 10 to 20 minutes. It's a beautiful site. It's all done for you, and it's free. And the good thing is that it ranks. So I would then write a very simple article, put some pictures of, say, the local hairdressers, go into the hairdressers, take some pictures, put some pictures up, put their prices up, just write a little bit about it, write what their services are, any discounts they're doing. Now you rank that, you write an article, you title it by the name of the hairdressers, Houston, and then the zip code. Now that will rank. If anybody's typing in hairdressers Houston, it will rank on Google. It will rank on the first page of Google. So that they will then get traffic. You get traffic to your Weebly site. Leave a telephone number there, and then the salon starts to get business. And then of course, then they will pay you. If you're showing them how to get business, then of course then they're going to pay you. Do the same with dentists, plastic surgeons. You can do it for any of these things. Local SEO is very, very easy to rank compared to going after these really, really difficult terms. Right, so those are the 4 main things, and those things are easy to start. You can start them straight away. It's just a matter of just taking action. So I hope you got some value from this. What I do, to help people get started, especially with things like SEO, getting traffic, and also doing what we call affiliate marketing, but top tier affiliate marketing. So when you're earning a lot more than $100 a day now, you can be earning up to $1,000 a day. I show people how to do that using my free 4-part course. If that's something that may be of interest to you, I'm going to leave a link below. And in that course, I teach people how to market online. Also, I show you the things that I personally do online, which I said is affiliate marketing, but it's what we call top tier affiliate marketing. So if that's something that may be of interest to you, I'll leave a link below this. You can just click on that link. Once you've opted in, you get completely free access to that 4-part training course. Alright, again, I hope you got some value from this. If you did, please take the time to like it. Also share it with anyone else you believe is going to get some value from it as well. If you have any comments, any questions, any concerns at all, you can leave it in the comments below, and I'll personally answer that myself. Alright, thanks for listening. Until next time, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best.